You know, when I told some people that I was going to upstate New York, people were like, but why? What's up there? Isn't there anything but farmlands and all that up there? And I'm like, yeah, sure. There's only farmlands up here.
This man is so crazy. Look at where he is.
We are on the way to visit our final stop of visiting 3 waterfall parks in one single day. Be sure to watch our last 2 videos, as we started with part 1 visiting the incredible Letchworth State Park. Then part 2 we explored and climbed around the famous Watkins Glen State Park. And to finish it off, we're visiting the popular falls of the city of Ithaca, New York, home of the Big Red Bears of Cornell University, which so happens to be right next to the falls. Getting here is super easy, as it's right near downtown Ithaca. Parking is available on nearby city streets or in a small lot adjacent to the falls. From the parking area, it's a quick 5-minute walk to reach the main event. Historically, this area was bustling with industry. By 1817, several mills operated here, harnessing the power of the falls. While the mills are long gone, their remnants still linger on the south bank, offering a glimpse into the area's industrial past. Now, there are many nearby waterfalls flowing from the same Fall Creek River, which are honestly all worth exploring. But today we only have time for one of these famous falls, which was easy to choose out of the many, because standing at 150 feet tall and 175 feet wide, Ithaca Falls is the largest waterfall within the city.
Wow.
Its powerful cascade is a testament to the natural beauty of the Finger Lakes region. Now, safety is paramount when visiting Ithaca Falls. Swimming is strictly prohibited due to the strong and unpredictable currents, which have unfortunately led to fatalities in the past. Although I tend to do my own thing in nature, which may bend the rules a bit, I always make it a priority to know my limits and advocate caution when visiting such places.
Technically, you're not supposed to swim here or get in the water. I think locals don't really care about that. The water doesn't look too pretty, to be honest, to go swimming in, but the falls itself is beautiful. It's nice to put your feet in.
Ithaca Falls is a year-round destination. It's open to the public for all to enjoy for free, which is what I personally believe natural wonders like this should be.
I'm curious as to what these stacks are supposed to be for. And I see these guys over here, they're making a stack over there, and these are too. I don't know. It's interesting. It's amazing.
Now, if you know me well, you know for a fact that I can't resist from having an up-close and personal encounter with beautiful falling waters. So of course, I went up to get my own Ithaca Falls experience.
I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to climb up this high, but here I am.
This man is so crazy. Look at where he is. It doesn't look that high, but it's really high. Look at where she is. Look at where he is. Crazy.
Freaking cool, man. After visiting the falls, we went into the city to take a stroll around the Ithaca Commons and to get food at one of their many local eateries. This city is rich in culture and natural beauty, making it a perfect day trip destination. After exploring all of Ithaca, we finally decided to eat at this place. It's a little Asian cuisine place on the corner here, but it is nice. And of course, we can't end the day without any dessert, so we found this colorful alleyway with a spot that served delicious ice cream. So there you have it, 3 amazing waterfall parks in one single day, ending with the beautiful Ithaca Falls. Whether you're seeking adventure, tranquility, or a touch of history, the Finger Lakes region in upstate New York has something for everyone. Until next time, keep being epic and keep exploring.